Hello everybody, I am back one more time. I'm having so much fun with paper flowers, I just can't stop, and I keep having another idea. So I thought I would do this one on camera with you. This is die cut. These are die cut flower shapes, and I cut them out of watercolor paper. And I have watercolor pencils here, and I wanted to try an experiment and just see what would happen if I colored these and kind of went with the shape of the petal. You know, I'm thinking I might can make it look like veins in the petals, but we're going to see together because I have never done this before. I just thought it might be fun. So we're going to do this experiment together, and if it works, we'll have a new method. If it doesn't work, we'll come up with something else. And then I'm going to take this just a little bit of a darker pink around the edges just to give it a little dimension. We'll just see what happens. And I think I might make a couple of veins with the darker color too, maybe just a few right in there. And then why not have some yellow in the middle, which I realize you probably won't see most of this once I layer them up, but I think some of that might blend out. Now, I have a water brush. You can use just a regular paintbrush if you have it, but I'm going to try it with a water brush, and I think I'm going to start in the center and move out with it so I can pull some of that yellow out into the rest of the petal. Yeah, I think I like that. So I'm just squeezing gently on my watercolor brush, my water brush, and if it doesn't give me enough water, then I will grab my paintbrush and try it. But I just wanted to see what would happen. Okay, I think I will. I think I will try my paintbrush. Maybe I want just a little more water on there. I want those colors to blend a little bit. All right. And then what I was thinking is I would do, for those of you who, if you don't have any tools and you're just starting out, here's a great idea for you. Okay, so while the petal is wet, your flower is still wet, we're going to pinch and we're going to kind of push it together right there. Pinch and push it together in the middle. See what I'm doing? And that's going to just kind of create the illusion of a little vein in that leaf. Pinch it and pull it together. Okay? And then to give it a little more dimension, I'm just going to push it down. If you've got a foamy sheet, use a foamy sheet. If not, use the palm of your hand. Now, we'll let that booger dry, and once it's dry, we'll stack them all up and see how it looks. Okay, as you can see, I have already got all of these petals done, and I squished them all together, and now I'm going to let them dry. Okay, I have decided that I'm going to take a little bit of ink and a dauber, and I am going to add just a little bit of more color right on the outside edges. And these things are not as dry as I wish they were. They're almost dry, but I'm rushing them. Of course, that's me. Hurry, 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 go, go, go. But that's okay. I love it. I love it. It's fun. And then the watercolor, it worked really well, but it's dull. And I like bling. I like things that shine. And so I am going to actually take a little bit of my glimmer mist, and I'm going to spray some glimmer mist on these and then let them dry completely so that they'll have some sparkle of those little mica powders from the glimmer mist. I love that stuff. Okay, so here we go, and I'm using, they don't really tell you what the colors are on here. Oh, yes, it does too. They're right there. Forest Sun. Well, it's the first time I've ever seen that. But they have the little mica powder in the bottom, and they say not to shake it like this because you get too many bubbles, but you just kind of spin it around, just kind of do it like that. All right, you get out of the way. Now, we're going to take a little bit of Glimmer Mist, and this is gold, so it's going to change the color just a little, but I think it'll be great. All right, now all I'm going to do is let these dry, and then I'm going to stack them up and put something in the middle. Okay, I am back again, and my petals are dry, so I'm going to show you now. I don't know if you can see that little bit of Glimmer Mist on there, but they have a beautiful shimmer to them. So I'm just going to offset the petals. Remember how we do. We don't want to line them up exactly. We want to offset them, and I'm not even going to glue it right now. I'm just going to show you how I do this. Offset that petal. My die has holes in the middle, which is really great for adding stamens. Love this petal. Love the colors of that one. It came out really pretty. And then here is the last one. So all my petals are offset a little. I've got another little bunch of stamens. All I did was fold them in half, put a little hot glue on the bottom, and rolled it in between my fingers to kind of hold them all together. And look, guys, there is a beautiful flower. Now all I've got to do is go glue it all together, and we've got another gorgeous flower. Anyway, go give it a try. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.